The Rogers Xfinity Stream app lets you access live TV and on-demand content on your smart TV. First, ensure your smart TV is compatible. It's available on Samsung Smart TV with Tizen OS, LG WebOS, Roku, Android TV on Sony and NVIDIA Shield, and Amazon Fire TV, but not yet on Apple TV or Vizio. Open your TV's app store, such as Samsung Smart Hub, and search for Xfinity or Rogers Xfinity Stream. Then download and install the app, which is typically between 200 and 500 megabytes. Make sure you have a Rogers account and a stable internet connection, ideally 25 Mbps or higher for HD streaming. Also, ensure the app version is up to date to avoid issues. The current version is Xfinity Stream v9.2, released in October 2025, which includes AI-driven content recommendations and improved 4K HDR support for supported TVs. For the latest information, check Rogers' official site or App Store listings. Once installed, launch the Xfinity Stream app on your smart TV. An activation code will appear on the screen. Using a mobile device or computer, go to xfinity.com/activate or Rogers' equivalent site and enter the activation code. Log in with your Rogers credentials to link your account. If you encounter issues, try clearing the app's cache, updating your TV's firmware, or using an Ethernet connection for a more stable internet connection. Ensure your device and TV meet the minimum OS requirements: Android 8 Plus, iOS 14 Plus, Tizen 5.5 Plus, WebOS 4.0 Plus, and Roku OS 10 Plus. Keep in mind the app is geo-restricted to Canada, so non-Canadian IP addresses may be blocked. If problems persist, contact Rogers support for assistance.